Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be opening my January Beauteque beauty box. This is the box that it comes in. It is still sealed, so I will open that. This is a monthly Korean beauty box, and it costs $24 a month plus shipping. The theme comes out in advance, so this month's theme was Drama Queen. A little bit of information, their Instagram challenge, their other box that they offer, and then of course a beautiful full color insert. So let's see. It's got a cute little Drama Queen sticker. Okay. Cool. Chameleon peel off mask. That's kind of cool. Ooh, this is a little bit open. Professional Mineral Water Glow by Beauteque. Not really sure what that is, but since it's already open, ooh, interesting. Looks like a highlighter or something. Yep, highlighter. It's kind of open, so let me close it back up. Oh, I saw this. I'm really excited about this. I've seen this a lot. It's like a little silicone sponge thingy. Ooh. Ooh, interesting. Blackhead and Black Mask Home Spa Kit. It looks like a nose and chin pack, which is awesome. A pore tightening serum. And a black stick. I'm really, really excited to try this. That's everything for this month. Okay, so the Professional Mineral Water Glow Highlighter. Get your glow on with this highlighter. Sweep over desired areas. The, uh-oh, I must have missed something. Oh, I missed 2 more items. My goodness. Okay. This is the Nuve Eyebrow Pencil. And, I can't really see the color because I don't want to open it. I've got so many eyebrow pencils. So that's this here. Then we have the Look at Me eyeshadow, which is really, really cute. It's got like a little heart pattern. It's a nice little red color. Beautiful. Here's the information. Etude House Look at Me eyeshadow. The Quan Fon Silicone Beauty Blender, which is so precious looking. It's a little sparkly in gold. Love it. There's the information here. The Chameleon Peel Off Mask Shine Gold. That's the information here. And the Wish Formula Blackhead and Black Mask Home Spa Kit. And that's the information there. So overall, I love this box. It's a really nice value. For $24, I get all these items. They always have a different theme every month. I've never gotten repeat items, so I'm really pleased about that. They are one of my favorite Korean beauty boxes that I get. So that's it for today. Please give me a comment below if you like this box, if you tried this box, if you tried different boxes, if you know of any boxes you think I should try. Please like. If you haven't already, please subscribe. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.